Hey everyone, Chris Lambert here again. I got the rest of my compasses in, so I'm going to do a part 2 unboxing. Here we go, the first one. All that foam stuff. Let's see what we got here. First we got, oh yeah. This is, I think, a $39, $40 ProSight compass. I think Sunto brand, Sunto. No, this is Sun Company. Right there, Sun Company brand. This was a little bit more expensive than the one that was recommended here. Let's see if I can. So, hard to film with this tripod, but here we go. It says it's a sighting map compass with adjustable declination. I think that's how you pronounce it. Okay, so let's take this out and see what it looks like. Got a nice orange lanyard here. Got a mirror. Here's the compass. Got magnifying glass, and it closes. And I have a couple bags, Condor bags coming, but they're late, so maybe I'll get those tomorrow. So that's compass number 1, or I should say number 3, out of the big compasses that I have. And since I got that, I decided to get Tempacomp by Sun Company. It's getting dark out, so we got the ball compass here and thermometer, and it's on a carabiner clip. You can hook that onto your backpack, your belt, wherever you want to hook it. It's got a key ring thing on it, so that's nice. Directions, probably can't read that, but okay. That's the second thing I got. I forgot what this cost. Pretty sure it was under $20, so. Get anything else? Oh, last thing we got was, well, that's different than the one I have. I thought I got the same thing. Okay, so we got a Sun Company Go compass. This one fits on your watch. Has a rotating orienteering bezel, luminous compass dial. It's a white part, liquid-filled compass, so that's nice. Sorry it's so dark out. I didn't get out here on time today. So this was, I think, $16 on sale for $9.99. And then we got one more thing. I think this is a mag case. You can use it for a knife. I bought it because the silverware that I bought, this is a little bigger and thicker than I wanted, but that the silverware pocket knife style with a spoon knife and fork, that ripped apart in the back, so I bought something a lot more sturdy, which you can hook this. It's got Velcro all over the place. You can hook this like that on your backpack straps. You can so you're this way on your belt buckle, I think, somehow. Velcro's a lot better on this. I'm pretty sure my silverware will just fit in there. It's got loops on the bottom, here and here. Yeah, it's just got a lot of Velcro on it. So let me show you here. Opens up this way. I'm pretty sure it opens up this way. Yeah, there you go. I might have to redo this video if it's too dark, but yeah, so you can see, put it on the belt, my belt there, backpack here. This is a One Tigris brand, pretty sturdy, pretty nice. I like it. It's a lot better than that flimsy case. And that case, the silverware that I bought that came with the case, it was actually a 2-pack. It was 2 packs of silverware and 2 cases. So I'll use this case for that. So there you go. That's the bag. Company good. They make good stuff. So there we go. It's the rest of my compasses here, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.